courage to the test. Ever wondered why your workout isn't giving you that energy boost, toned look, or confidence you dream of? Well, let's find out, because the truth may surprise you. Myth number 1, crunches alone will give you abs. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch. Abs are not just made in the gym, they're sculpted in the kitchen. You could do 100 crunches a day, but if your diet isn't dialed in, those abs will stay hidden. Think of it this way. You wouldn't paint over a messy canvas and call it art. Nutrition clears the canvas, exercises the brushstroke. So next time someone says crunches are all you need, ask them how their veggies are doing. Myth 2. Lifting weights will make you bulky. Let's set this straight. Building muscle takes serious dedication, not just a few dumbbell curls. For most of us, lifting weights makes you look strong, not bulky. It's more about sculpting than inflating. Imagine your body as a luxury car. Weights are the polish that adds that sleek, toned finish. Plus, building muscle helps burn calories even when you're binge-watching your favorite show. Bulky? Only if you're eating like a professional bodybuilder too. Myth 3. Cardio is the king of weight loss. Sure, cardio burns calories, but it's not the only game in town. Strength training is the unsung hero here. It builds muscle, which increases your metabolism. Translation? You'll burn calories even while indulging in that post-gym smoothie. And let's not forget how strength training gives you that energy boost to tackle your day. So next time, mix in some weights with your treadmill time. You'll thank yourself later. Myth 4. Fitness requires expensive equipment. This one's a favorite of marketing campaigns, but the truth? Your body is the ultimate piece of equipment. Push-ups, squats, planks, all free and incredibly effective. And if you're feeling fancy, grab a backpack, throw in some books, and boom, DIY weights. Fitness is about creativity and consistency, not emptying your wallet. Save that cash for a post-workout treat instead. And finally, the last myth. Rest days are for slackers. Wrong. Rest days are when the magic happens. Your muscles repair, your body recovers, and you come back stronger. Think of rest as your body's indulgence day. It craves it, and it deserves it. Skipping rest is like trying to drive a car on fumes. Eventually, you'll burn out. So kick back, relax, and let your body recharge. It's working even when you're not.
And there you have it, 5 fitness myths debunked. But wait, are there more myths lurking out there, shaping how we think about health and fitness? Absolutely. Curious about the truth behind another fitness claim you've heard? Drop it in the comments, and we might tackle it in the next video. Until then, keep working smart, keep indulging in your rest days, and remember, fitness is a journey, not a myth. See you next time on Healthify Zone.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.